Franklin Templeton Retirement Plan Honest Review. Wait before reading. Franklin Templeton offer a retirement planning tool designed to assist individuals in preparing for their financial future. The platform aims to provide users with insight into their retirement readiness and offer resources to help them making informed decision. And here's the key features about the platform which help you decide if this platform is the best retirement planner for you. So talking about the key features, it comes with a retirement readiness assessment. So the tools evaluate your current financial situation and projection, your readiness for retirement based on the various inputs. It's going to come with an investment guide which help you provide recommendations on investment strategies aligned with your retirement goal. It also comes with educational resources which offer articles and materials to enhance users' understanding of retirement planning. And talking about the pros and cons, which explain the advantages and disadvantages of you using this platform for your retirement planner. So talking about the advantages, it comes with an established reputation. Franklin Templeton is a world-known financial service company with a long-standing history in investment management. It also comes with a comprehensive analysis and a user-friendly interface, which is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for users with a varying level of financial expertise. I'm talking about the downside, which is a limited customization and a customer service concern and a mixed user review. So talking about the overall conclusion, the Franklin Templeton Retirement Planner serve as a useful starting point for individuals beginning their retirement planning journey. Its user-friendly design and comprehensive analysis can provide valuable insight. However, potential users should be aware of limitation in customization and consider seeking additional tools or professional advice to complement their planning goals. So if you have any further questions or need information on other retirement planning, feel free to comment down below.